Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove my number from spam lists? To remove your number from spam lists, register at the national do not call registry, right? Or in the website URL, do not call.gov, right? You can see it in the website URL here, right? And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit register your phone, right? And then if your number is not on the registry, hit register here, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna fill in the simple details, your phone number, your second phone number, which is optional. If you have a third phone number, just fill it in. And of course your email address, and confirm your email address. You can afterwards hit submit to stop legitimate telemarketers, right? So you can also use your phone's built-in tools to block or report spam. That's only if you have a recurring or the same phone number or email just hitting you up, right? Only then, but most likely that doesn't happen. So enter your phone number, just once and for all, remove all the telemarketers of your site, right? As scammers gather data from various sources, okay? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.